It's me, Discount Me, and now I've got my totally original, not stolen from anyone, cooking show. And today we're gonna make roasted honey nuts. Yeah. So first, what you're gonna need is where are the nuts? Peanuts. Oh, there are the nuts. Alright, you also need more nuts and chips. Now to make honey nusted yeah. Where are the pots? Now what you're going to want to do is lay down a nice base layer. Then add the honey roasted nuts. Now a bit more foundation. And then finally, the topping. Now you put that in the oven at 9,000 degrees for a few hours. So, we're back after 30 minutes, and our honey roasted nuster honey things are done in here. So now, you're gonna want to remove that. Go to your local storage pantry, and here comes the honey part. Looks tasty.